Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me Samsung Galaxy 20, Galaxy Note 20, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google Factory Reset protection on this device. So, firstly, you need to have a locked device by Google Factory Reset protection and open our website. On our website, you will see instruction. If you will follow this instruction step by step, you can bypass the block of Google Google FRP, Google Factory Reset Protection. So now I will show you how to do. In our site, we have always newest version of the Google verification bypass. Now the newest version is for security patch from 10/2022, and now I will show you how to follow this instruction. So firstly, you need to install Samsung drivers on your Windows device, then download some FRP bypass 2 from our Mega Drive. So just open Mega Drive. I think I have it already installed. Documents. Okay, I will install it again. So just click download, wait a while. And cool, I have it. So just open it. Okay, so just open it and unzip this folder. Okay, I will unzip it on my desktop. Great. So cool. Now in my desktop I have this application. And what we need to do. So just read in the instruction. So as you can see, we need to disable our Windows Defender, extract files, and turn on the software some FRP. So just open this folder and open it using administrator. Run this application like administrator. Cool. What we need to do next? Next, we need to open this mode. It's factory mode or developer mode. So click on the call button, open keyboard, and enter here. This code. Great. Now connect your USB. Here you'll see that your device is connected successfully. If you have now this window, it means that you have now installed property drivers. So if you have now this window, you need to install drivers again or reinstall drivers. And what we need to do next? Next, we need to open our application and click Remove FRP. Wait a while. Click OK. Don't allow to get screen off. As you can see, I have failed. So now I will try to use another USB port. And I will try to click Remove FRP August 2022. So if you have failed, just try another way. Click OK. I have failed again. But I have ADB. Wait for it. Okay, as you can see, I have this window now, so just click always allow, click allow, wait for it again. As you can see, we are in settings, now click allow, and just wait until your phone reboots. As you can see, we have a message that FRP removed successfully. Congratulations. Do you want to send us some coffee? Okay, I will click no, but you can pay for it. And wait until your device reboots. Now you can disable, you can unplug your device from the cable, from the computer. And great. As you can see, Google Factory Reset protection was successfully bypassed. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.